In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your GoDaddy website, helping you manage your online presence with ease and confidence. This process might seem daunting at first, but with a clear understanding, it becomes straightforward. So, let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, let's start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the GoDaddy website. In the top right corner, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your account credentials carefully. Remember, it's essential to protect your login details, so make sure no one else has access to this sensitive information. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Next, on your account dashboard, you'll see several options. Look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy lists all the products and services associated with your account, including your domain names, websites, and hosting plans. Find the website you wish to delete. You might have to scroll a little if you have multiple products or services, but with a little patience, you should find it without much trouble. Once you've located the website in question, you'll want to access its settings. Click on the Manage button next to your website. This takes you to the management panel for the site. Here, you have various options, but your focus should be on the section that deals with account settings or hosting settings, depending on how your site is set up. In the management panel, search for a link or button labeled Delete or Remove Site. This is sometimes found under the Site Settings tab, which can differ slightly based on GoDaddy's current layout, as they occasionally tweak their interface. Clicking this will prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is crucial because once you delete your website, it's almost always irreversible, meaning all your site information and files will be permanently gone. Make sure you have a backup if there might be a need to restore the site later. Confirm your choice by selecting Yes or Delete, following the on-screen instructions provided. After confirming your deletion action, GoDaddy typically processes this request almost instantly. However, the complete removal might take a bit of time as changes propagate, so don't be alarmed if your site still appears momentarily. Refresh your account dashboard after a few minutes to verify that the website no longer appears under My Products. To conclude, deleting a GoDaddy website involves navigating your account with understanding and care. It's crucial to thoroughly consider each step, particularly the confirmation to delete, as it's permanent. By following this tutorial, you'll have successfully managed your digital real estate in a responsible way. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.